Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. So in this video guys, I will let you know how you can send a WhatsApp message in one click to all of your contacts. Go to the WhatsApp. I have installed, by the way, your WhatsApp. You can install whichever you want. I mean the official one as well, WhatsApp business, both. Just click here and you will see new broadcast, and you need to add the number. You can add number. Let me add check this number and no, I need to add my UAA. Okay, here you can see I have added and two recipients. So now you can add more persons, whichever you want. What you need to do, you can just select here. You need to type here and a message will be there. Now message will be delivered to all of them. It's just like you send him personally. It will be like this. So let me show you on I'm adding the screenshot of other as well, of my other WhatsApp. As you can see guys, I have received these messages. You can check the time and it's like I have received a private message. So you can send this way to messages to your friends and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.